Hello, this is Lorraine Kelly from lozsart.com. In this tutorial, I will draw a circular Celtic knot using a circular graph and adding line breaks to form the pattern. This graph was a free printable graph, which I added dots to the intersections in a domino 5 pattern, as you can see. For future reference, I will call the graph lines with the corner dots the major lines, and the graph lines with the middle dot I'll call minor lines. Adding the breaks and gaps will make the knot more interesting and more challenging to draw. I wanted a symmetrical design, so I spaced out the breaks evenly. For this one, I only added them on the major graph lines. Now, these break lines are like a wall that is introduced to the interlaced pattern. As you can't go through the wall, you have to turn so they join to make loops. There are some rules to adding break lines. If you follow these rules, you shouldn't end up with loose ends. Firstly, a break line positioned on a minor graph line must stop and start halfway into a square, like this. This will give you space to manoeuvre the chords around to continue the pattern. Your lines must start and end on a dot, either vertically or horizontally. And secondly, if you are crossing lines, the centre of the cross must occur on a dot. I wanted holes in my design, so I drew square breaks. To start, I find it easiest to interlace sections without line breaks first. Then I work out how to connect the pattern around the breaks. If you are good at puzzles, you might find this easier than me. Here is a picture of my attempt on graph paper. You will see that it took a few attempts to get a pleasing design. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.